Pydantic AI agents serve as the primary interface for interacting with large language models, encapsulating instructions, tools, and output specifications. The following code demonstrates initializing an agent instance by loading its configuration directly from a specified YAML file. From Pydantic AI import agent. Agent equals agent from file agent YAML. This code demonstrates the declarative instantiation of a Pydantic AI agent using the agent from file class method. This approach allows for the definition of an agent's configuration, including its model, instructions, and capabilities, within an external YAML or JSON file, separating configuration from application logic. This promotes modularity and easier management of agent definitions, especially in complex systems where agent behaviors might need frequent adjustments without code changes. By loading the agent from a file, the system benefits from a clear separation of concerns, enabling non-developers or configuration specialists to modify agent behavior. This method is particularly useful for managing multiple agents with distinct roles, or for deploying agents in environments where their configurations are dynamically loaded or version controlled independently of the core application code. The agent YAML file would contain the structured definition of the agent, which Pydantic AI then parses to construct the agent instance. Let's break it down line by line. From Pydantic AI import agent. Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI library, enabling the creation of Pydantic AI agents. Agent equals agent from file agent YAML. An agent instance is created by loading its configuration from the agent YAML file. The declarative instantiation of a Pydantic AI agent, as shown by importing the agent class and then calling agent from file agent YAML, fundamentally separates an agent's configuration from its operational logic. This approach allows the agent instance, which serves as the primary interface for interacting with large language models, to be fully defined externally in a YAML file. This separation promotes modularity, enabling non-developers to adjust agent behaviors without altering core application code, and facilitates dynamic loading and version control of agent configurations. Ultimately, this means that the agent YAML file dictates the agent's instructions, tools, and output specifications, with the from-file method acting as the bridge that constructs the executable agent from this structured definition.
From agent, YAML, Pydantic AI's agent loads a configuration embodies